Hello, I am Yashwant. My ID number is 30856. My project is about deploying a web application for the secure data management. The project is basically securing the data of the users. So I created the web application for that. It is my AWS console where I created first. I use Lambda, and it's my Lambda name secure data handler. I use Node for this for the code. I configured the test settings and configuration settings. This is the code I used for my project, and the test case events are this one. It is the output. I created the API gateway. API gateway name is the secure data API, where I created HTTP API for post, get, and put delete the operations. And I authorized the token by JWT authorization. I created the auto deploy method for this so that I no need to do any deploy for every changes, and it is a course enable thing. I created a bucket called a secure data frontend where I store the front end information of index.html, and it is a CloudFront distribution. It is the CloudFront distribution URL. If I get, I will get this, and the output is this one. If I click the button call API, I will get the information about ID 123, and the data is confidential to A. User ID is user ABC. It is a DynamoDB table where the user data will be stored securely. Table name is secure data. These are the three items which I stored for now. It is ID number and it is a user ID. User ID is the primary key and ID is the short key. It is the data where the user will keep their data confidential. I created a role for this. In the role, I gave DynamoDB full access and basic execution for Lambda. And I created the user authentication where only a particular users will be can log into the page. It is a poll name, poll ID. It is a client ID. You can check the login page. The person only can log in with their email. You can check that have successfully logged in with the Amazon Cognito user course. You can check everything is stored in the Word document, and the final outputs of the project is I created a web application for user authentication. User can only log in through their email and password. Once the OTP went to the email ID only, they can verify the login. For example, I am selecting my college email ID. You have to enter the password. It is the creating account. You have to enter the password. If it is not satisfied, the use a symbol, the condition is not satisfied, so you can't create an account with this password. You have to give every, you have to satisfy the every condition there. So, and you have to re-enter the password. If you sign up, the OTP will go to your email directly. Thank you.